Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's kitchen remodel, we removed the outdated stained cabinets and replaced them with gray painted cabinets. We added quartz countertops and a tile backsplash to update the space. We were also able to add an island for more counter space and storage to make the kitchen more functional for these homeowners. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looks like before the remodel started. Everything has been removed from this kitchen. Now we have a fresh shell to work with. It is a few weeks into the remodel and the electric, plumbing, drywall, and paint have been completed. We are now installing the floor. We installed Dow tile, exquisite silverstone 12 by 24 tiles on the floor. Now the cabinets are getting installed. They are Waypoint 660R Maple Harbor, which is a refined, cool gray color. Finishing touches have been put on this kitchen. We use various sizes of Richelieu 2606-160-195 pieces of hardware in this kitchen. The quartz countertops have been installed. They are Cambria Berwyn with OG edges. The backsplash we installed was MSI Grecian White Arabesque Mosaic tile. Here is the finished kitchen. We love this soft gray color scheme. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this remodel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.